I just gave it the freaking link to the API instructions and told it, I mean, this is the prompt. I want to be able to ping the ring the API response and determine if a call was converted for a specific buyer. How do I do that? Right. And it pretty much got the code right on the first pass. I had to iterate a couple times and exactly what I needed, but it like went out, read the docs, did it all. All it needed was the API key to get access. Replic's the same way too. Like if we wanted to integrate this thing with something like I want to integrate with Calendly so that people can book appointments.
Yeah.
So let me just share this real quick. Just one last thing and we'll wrap up here. So the other cool thing is you can actually just tell it things like this. Like I want to integrate with Calendly so people can book appointments. And it will figure out how to integrate with that system. And you could do that for just about any system out there. There's a lot of stuff that's already like default built in. And then there's stuff that isn't. So, what's your Calendly link? Use a example link for now.